Hey Juliet, did you hang yourself because you were in love?
Just thinking about it. Just going round and round.
Come on, give me a yes or no, please. We're not here to judge you.
Did you think you were in love?
Hold on, because we haven't got an answer yet. Come on, Juliet, give me a yes or no, please. I think we're actually annoying her.
The boy that you were in love with, was he in love with you? But you weren't in love with him? Oh. Is that a no? Can you confirm that for me if I'm moving to yes? Right, back to the middle please, Juliet.
Can you just confirm that is Juliet still? For me, please.
Is it Juliet on the board still, or is it someone else? Can you move to the middle again?